Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove a threaded pipe nipple from your plumbing that's either stuck or hard to remove because of built-up sediment. The repair I want to do today is replace the shutoff valves under my bathroom sink and the old threaded pipe nipple that connects to the pipes inside the wall. Oftentimes, the pipe nipple may be difficult to remove because it's stuck or frozen in place by sediment buildup. Fortunately, there's a tool called an internal pipe wrench that can grip the pipe from the inside and give you the leverage you need to unscrew the pipe nipple. So I've gone ahead and shut off the water main and removed the two shutoff valves for the hot and cold water. My pipes have a 3/8 inch diameter, so I've selected the 3/8 inch internal pipe wrench tool, and all you do is insert it into the pipe. Then take a small wrench and fit it over the hex side and turn counterclockwise. The teeth on the gears inside the pipe grip the inside walls, allowing you to unscrew the pipe nipple. After a handful of turns, it's loose enough for me to remove the rest by hand. To remove the tool from the nipple, hold it in one hand and twist the tool clockwise with the wrench, and it should just loosen. So that's it. Next time you have a stuck pipe nipple, try using an internal pipe wrench tool to remove it. I hope you found this quick fix-it tip helpful. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link for the tools that I used in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.